Scotty, what'd you find?
So
Scotty just beat off.
I did.
It only took him 5 seconds to pop this time.
I had a hammer.
He went right away, but that's because...
Kaboom, baby! I mean,
So... Oh my... What the fuck?
at mouth.
Is it maybe not lubed?
It may not be, and I'm thinking that...
There's no grease in here. Hold on. I'm going to pull the boot off. I guarantee you right now there's no friggin' grease in here. Oh, we got to unbolt it because it's got the thing underneath that holds it.
But yeah,
look. Squeeze
yeah,
it.
there's no grease.
There's no grease in it.
There's no grease. It was never greased.
They were never lubricated.
So the other problem we have is...
That's why it was so tight.
I'm going to call it as I see it. Lack of proper installation. This was never greased. This was over-tightened. Because now watch, guys.
I mean, I get it. You
ladies,
hold
gentlemen.
This. So hopefully the lower's good.
We may have to replace the upper. We won't know until we take the boot
luckily-
off. But from the feel of it,
It feels chunky.
well, it's because it's dry. There's nothing. I mean, there's nothing in there.
You would know about lube versus
I
no
would,
lube.
trust me. I am very good at determining which gun oil is the best for the tool. I mean, gun. Yeah, gun.
Which flavor do you like again?
Strawberry.
I like bubblegum. Right, just original.
Bubble gum is good.
Oh, but the whole bubble yum with strawberry one?
Oh, that would be. Oh, yum.
Don't touch me that way.
So
the
let's
beer
get back to
bottle and
reality.
then
Back to reality.
Never mind.
Back to reality.
Hello.
Have hammer, we'll smash.
This is like the Three Stooges in here.
Right?
Did you guys miss me?
Of course we did.
We miss Bernsey.
I always miss my bear.
2 bears and an otter up in this beer.
So we'll grease this up really good.
Oh, yeah?
Work it for a couple of minutes, and I think that will probably alleviate the issue with the ball joint. I'm trying to be serious. You're not helping any.
But Scotty said he's going to grease it up and work. I can't.
Get out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Sorry, guys. I was bartending all weekend, and we got potty mouths at the bar.
Now that we have proper movement on the spindle like we're supposed to.
That looks really good, though.
Yeah, I mean, it's...
Really good.
I guarantee you this one hasn't been greased either. Nope, it hasn't. It's as clean as a whistle.
Okay, so let's
So-
take...
Literally.
Ooh. Let's take the nut off here. For that. Then drop the spindle off. Because that way you'll get the spindle off.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's get that upper arm over next door right now.
Hey.
I'm just...
Do you have a meeting to be at?
Yeah, don't you
half
get
an
it.
hour.
We need to
Get
go
out of
to-
here.
Yeah,
We got this.
We got this.
Yes.
Trust me, we know how to do this.
Bye, Felicia.
This is not my first rodeo. I promise you that. I have ridden more horses than anybody I know of.